Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the hardware ready. Charge the watch to at least half and confirm a stable Wi-Fi network. Once charged, erase any prior pairing through Settings General Reset, erase all content so the device boots into setup. Power the watch, select your language and region, then choose the option to use it without an iPhone. This initial setup gives you the unpaired mode that enables basic watch OS features and local apps over Wi-Fi. Keep the watch near the router for smooth continuation. Once the watch shows its home screen, connect it to Wi-Fi, and if asked, sign in with your Apple ID on the watch to unlock more functionality. Enable location services in Siri so maps, weather, timers, and voice commands work without an iPhone nearby. Use the on-device app store to download compatible apps and keep watchOS current by updating over Wi-Fi. Make sure background refresh and permissions are allowed. Otherwise, apps may be limited. This establishes the watch as a mostly independent device for daily tasks. Finalize by configuring a passcode, adding any Apple Pay cards, and calibrating sensors, heart rate and workout detection, directly on the watch. Test notifications, Wi-Fi calling, and app behavior to confirm the device functions without the phone nearby. If something fails, make sure Wi-Fi credentials are correct and the watch is running the latest watch OS. Then reset network settings on the watch or perform another erase and retry the full setup. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation stalls, remove and rejoin the Wi-Fi network and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.